It's the herring garden. Hello, what are you doing? No horsing for you. Hey. You're quite excited, are you? You alright? Yeah. Got your pork pie hat on?
Only the best ride on the horse.
Got your pork pie hat on? Got your pork pie hat on?
No, it's just a rainbow hat.
What is it?
Rainbow hat.
Oh, right, okay.
Come to the yellow box. Up you climb. And again. Up, up, up.
He doesn't like to be a tank either.
Right, are you ready? Can you jump? 1, 2, 3, jump.
Sit down there.
Well done.
Put your feet in the hoops, that's right.
Hello, Dylan.
I don't remember what I was on.
Hello,
Go
Dylan.
top pole.
Will you please
I thought I'd do it 'cause he's being a pain.
No, he's not being a pain. As such.
Dylan doesn't like to stand still.
No.
Right, ready then?
Got to there. You're being worse than usual.
Right, can you move your bottom forward? Wiggle forward, that's it.
Ooh.
I got it.
Right, off you go then.
We'll walk at a normal pace.
Don't worry.
Did you like that? He
Oh,
can walk quite a normal pace, but he just doesn't like standing still that much.
Well, she rode on last time. All she's been talking about is come back and ride on them again. She specifically said she wants to ride. Back at you.
It's funny.
Is it good?
Yeah. Can
his
you
name?
say Dylan?
Yeah, I'll save it. I'll show you. What's his name?
Dylan.
Dylan.
He's beautiful, isn't
He's bounce and bounce.
Very nice.
Maybe there's something from baby.
Do you think he's had some jelly beans? Is that maybe why he's let down?
What'd you make of it all then, George? So, Libby, what's the name of your horse?
Dylan.
And was it good?
Yeah.
What did you say to him?
I said giddy up.
Did he go brrr?
No.
He didn't go brrr. No, I'm filming. What are you gonna film? You go hold it like that and watch what you're filming. And you can go and film George. Get him to say, ask him to say something.
And she was holding.
George, can you really say something? I like you, but I want to help you now. It's done 2 minutes. And boom. Hiya. Hiya. Buddy.
Okay. Are you okay with Miss Missy?